Yeah, because I had to tell you something. I forgot to tell you. I saw a bird today.
What about that bird?
I saw one today, like a bird, you know.
I want one that talks about like they talk.
Oh, you want a bird?
Yes, I want one of those like talking birds. They're so cool.
Oh, well, yeah, I saw one today, and
Wait,
I
did
just
it talk?
yeah,
What did it say?
it just chirped at me.
That does not mean anything about talking. It copies you whenever you speak.
And you're talking about a parrot, but I saw a bluebird today.
My favorite color is light blue.
Yeah.
But I want to hold him. I want to hold him.
But I wanted to tell you about the bird.
Yeah, I want peacock.
Girl, I'm telling you about the bird I saw. Why do you want a bird?
You never ever go outside today.
I saw it through the window.
Where was it? Cause
I saw it out here when I opened the window today. I saw it out through this window when I opened it today.
I saw a squirrel today.